Hi you guys, welcome. Coriee Mariee, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and put that notification bell on so you can know every time I post. And just the new ones, come. Welcome to my little YouTube family that I'm trying to create. So today I went a little shopping at the Dollar Tree. Yes, the Dollar Tree. I got my bags and stuff down here. Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Coriee, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell. And if you're not new, welcome back. Here goes another video for you guys. So I decided to go to the Dollar Tree store, and I got a few things, a good little few handy things. It's in between like hygiene to where you can organize your room or whatever room you're organizing. It's two things that I already started using that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it's hanging up already, but I gotta take a picture and put the picture over here so y'all can see. But let's get to these bags, since I already told y'all about the two that's already been used. First bag. Oh, it's another thing I use too. It's actually three things I start using. But this, I don't know if y'all can see it. This right here is for your pimples, like your blackheads and your whiteheads. You got this. I got this from the Dollar Tree store, only for $1. I got candy for $1. You already know that. Candy for $1. Not mine, so. Oh, excuse me. I bought some cocoa butter, lip balm. Okay, so I seen some face masks, and this the charcoal one. Oh, I should have got two of these, cause this only one, and it got charcoal and all these different ones. I'm gonna test this out and see if it really works. I got a few masks, actually, paper masks. I got a few actually that I should. Oh, I did get two. I did get two. So I got this. Just holders. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna use it. Well, that bag is gone and out of there. Next bag. This is the second one. I should've. Okay, this has got a magnet on the back, but I'm gonna figure out where I can put this in my room, cause it's a calendar. But it's a dry erase calendar board to where you can write on there what I gotta do, things that I gotta do, and it's it got an eraser on it right there, and it's like a marker, you know. It's only $1 though, $1. And it's big enough so I can be able to write. Oh, and it got a nose down here. This is so cute. I gotta figure out, cause I don't got nothing magnet in here, and I'm not putting this in the refrigerator, cause I want it in my room. I'm trying to get organized now. I guess it's a clip cup, but I don't use that. Let me fix my light. I'm not gonna use this for the clips. I don't got no clips. I'm gonna use this for like candies and little stuff. I'll figure it out. You gonna see. I might insert it at the end of this video. Insert everything how I got in my video at the end of the video. Pencil holder, you know, but I'm really gonna put. I might actually do put pencils in here. I bought this for a reason though. Anyways, some tampons. I don't really use these. Oh, I got some wipes for my car. Got wipes for my car. I bought some charcoal cleansing nose strips. Comes in 2 and it's just $1, you guys. Just $1. I swear, you gotta start shopping at Dollar Tree. You can find a lot of things and create a lot of things by using the Dollar Tree. And then everything is $1. I'm trying to tell you some tape. I put tape on my little list. And last but not least, a little tray. Well, this is a big tray. It ain't little, but they got some little ones there too. They got big trays. They got like binders. Like, I mean, not binders, but like being like. I'm trying to tell y'all. Oh, I know how this is ever gonna fit. Oh, I'm smart. Okay, that's done. The last but not least, the last bag. Third is the charm. Oh, I got cotton balls. You can get that at Dollar Tree for just $1. I got man razors. You can get razors. You can get the women razors. You can get man razors. I prefer the men because you got two blades or whatnot. I mean, yeah, razors, blades, whatever. Some Q-tips, and this is only 150, but they got something for like 200 in the count, 200 account, 150 account, but it's $1. Okay, let me tell y'all about this one, because I bought 2 of these, and this was the dumbest thing I did, but I didn't know though. So these are some feet gel slippers that I done thought it was just a one pair, like one piece. I mean, one of the things in there, and it's really not. Let me show you. I'm gonna open it actually, cause I got 2. Cause I bought 2, thinking it's just one in here, like one left foot in here, and that's it. So I bought 2, trying to make it one left and one right. And when I opened the one that I did open, and not this one, but I opened the one that I did, and I looked at it, and this it's 2 of them. It's 2. So one is left and one is right, and they sticky though. Like they, you can like it's sticky in there. So it's like it's sticky and it's tacky to where you can put it in there and it'll stick. So that's what I did though. But that was just the dumbest. I spent 2. So basically that's $2 for no reason. But I can put these in somewhere else, or somebody else can use them in my house. But they gel, but they still good. It's $1. So okay, this right here, I'll tell y'all, this right here is. I didn't think I was gonna run into this. I really didn't. This is an oral care kit. I'm gonna use this for my teeth and all that. Oh, I think I got everything in my bag though, cause it's one thing I took out specifically, cause I was gonna use this for my teeth though. But this is a good little kit. Got a toothbrush already. It got a tongue cleaner. It got a little mirror you can check inside, and they got down here this little scoop. I bought 2, one for me, one for my boyfriend. I got me some cotton rounds, like the little pads. guys, they sell Fitment soap 2 for $1. See, there we go. So I bought this. I want to test this out, and I'm gonna let y'all know about this. And if y'all do want me to, no, actually, y'all tell me. Actually, y'all tell me if y'all want to see my reaction or review on this. This is only $1 though, you guys. This is only $1, and it's to whiten your teeth. So, on this other person YouTube, I forgot what's her name, but this Yes 2 product, it's a face mask, another face mask, and they said, this girl said that it works, so I'm about to try this product out. I'm gonna try this product out and see if it actually works. So it's gonna do better on my skin. Give it a, got another one, this is a charcoal one. Oh, the other one was tomato one. Oh, I bought these facial sponges. So on $1, it's two come in here for $1. I'm gonna use this for, start using this for to clean my face. Instead of using my hands. I don't wear makeup like that, not at all. Probably because I gotta find, I'm 2 different tones. I don't know why. Like, I don't know. But that's probably why I don't wear makeup like that. But I'm gonna try to start once I find the right foundation for my skin. But I bought this just so I can test it out too. And that's a primer. It's a LA Colors primer. And it comes in clear, yellow, cool pink, peach, and green. And then the clear one, that's what I got, is minimizing pores. The yellow one is correct dullness. The cool pink one is the brightening complexion. Peach is the neutralize dark spots, and the green one is neutralize redness. And that's primer. Just for $1. I've seen a lot of different brushes, makeup brushes, and I decided to get the angle liner because I want to try to do better on my eyebrows. And the one it's a LA, I got a new gel or whatnot for, it's like, I think it's a LA gel. I'm gonna put a picture in here to show y'all. It comes with a brush like this and like a little spoolie. I think that's what it's called, a spoolie. And it's the gel, and I think it's a LA Colors one. I think. I don't know, but like I said, I'm gonna insert a picture and so y'all can see it. But I've been trying to do my eyebrows, like learn how to. And I got the, I got to see like the little card that I showed y'all before. But I wanted to try this. And they got the eyeshadow one, the crease one. What else they had? They had a few more. I'm probably go back once I get really into the makeup, doing makeup. Oh, now these is for everybody that's beginners of putting your own eyelashes on. This right here, for that's just $1. It come in clutch. It's gonna do magic. This is really a help for the beginners. But see, me, I know how to do it on regular tweezers. I know how to do it with my hand. And I like these though, but I like this one better because it's like wide. Let me open it so y'all can really show y'all. Y'all see that? Do y'all see it? See? All you do is easy peasy. Like, y'all beginners is the easy. This is so easy peasy. This will really help y'all, the beginners. Alright. This is the last thing that's in the bag. feminine wipes. This is good. It's only $1. It comes 32 in a pack. Oh, they got makeup wipes. They got makeup wipes. They got feminine wipes at the Dollar Tree. And every time I go, I get one more at least, or one every time. Every time I go. But I hope you guys like this video and hope like my other videos. And if you do, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, put that notification bell on. Share with your friends, family, hey, anybody. Make it big for everybody, you know. But thank you. Bye.